What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another Hunt's First Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at one of the newest and most versatile pieces from Nanlite, the Forza 60C. Nanlite is expanding their Forza 60 lineup with a brand new RGB LAC LED monolight. Personally, I love the original Forza 60 for its compact size, high output, and great build quality. The Forza 60C maintains each one of those aspects while adding full-color, high-saturation RGB LEDs, which opens the door to even more creativity. This light is one of the most color-accurate RGBs on the market with a CRI of an astounding 96 rating. This means the colors you want will be true and easy to match with other lights. On a similar note, users will have control over the light through Bluetooth, 2.4G, and DMX, allowing for color matching through the actual app. Like many of their other lights, it comes standard with Nanlite's FM mount, which does have its merits such as its compact nature and a wide variety of Nanlite modifiers to choose from. Nanlite also provides you with the much more universal Bowens mount adapter, opening it up to a much wider range of modifiers. In the package, you also get an NPF battery grip, allowing for use even without available hardwired electricity, and the ability to adapt a V-mount battery for even longer usage time. One of the most underrated aspects of this light is its multi-voltage AC operation, ranging from 100 to 240 VAC. This allows the light to be utilized on location anywhere in the world without voltage worries. Like I mentioned earlier, one of my absolute favorite aspects of these lights is how small and quiet they are, and just for reference, this is the entire head of the light in my hands without a modifier. The ultra quiet fan cooling allows it to be used on film sets with live audio being recorded with no issue. Overall, the Forza 60C is an incredible addition to your lighting setup, building off of all the great features of the original Forza 60 while adding full color, high saturation, high accuracy RGBs. Whether you shoot photos or video, this light will work for you and your setup. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the Forza 60C or anything else camera related, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.